Hi folks, thanks for joining me. Today is Sunday the 20th of December and I'm just out and about having a little ride over towards Friday-Thorpe, which is heading out towards the east coast. Just get past this vehicle. There we go. So yeah, it's a bit nippy, but I just thought I'd give the bike a good run because I haven't really been out on it since I last went to Rhino's Pass up in the Lake District, which was in November time. And a lot's happened since then. I've just recently, last week, bought myself a new camera which I'm using at the moment, so this ride partly to test that. So what I'm using at the moment is the GoPro Hero 9 in black, which I've bought, as I said, to replace a Drift 4K camera that certainly recently have had nothing but problems with. I would be filming with it, and although the picture quality was very good, what I tended to find was that occasionally the camera would just freeze. So the red light would be on at the front, indicating that it was still working, but in actual fact it wasn't recording bugger all, which is a waste of time for me and no good at all. So yeah, as I said, this is my maiden voyage out on the bike with the new camera. I'm also testing out a new mounting system for it, on a chin mount, which I'll show you if anybody's interested. Got it off Amazon, and I wasn't too convinced that it would work, but so far it seems to be working quite well. So we're just heading into Stanford Bridge now. Nice little village. Just bear with me while I get over the bridge. So yeah, roads are a bit damp, but although it's a bit nippy, the roads are nice and empty, to be fair, and can't really complain. It's been a nice little run out. Didn't bother filming anything on the A64, no point in that, it's just a boring road. But as we're coming here into this little village, and then we go out towards Friday-Thorpe, there's some nice little country roads there. So I thought you would enjoy watching them. So yeah, sit back and enjoy the ride. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that bit of road there, a bit of scenery, even though it's a bit drab and overcast. So we're now just coming up towards Garrity Hill, and as I said, I'm heading out towards Friday-thorpe. There's a little cafe there, Seaways. I might call in, but I don't even know if it's going to be open, to be fair. But just get past this chap. So yeah, head out towards Seaways, which is just at the sort of split where you go towards Driffield, or you can go to Bridlington on the old scenic road. Seaways has been there for many, many years. I think I can remember it probably 30, 40 years ago, at least. So, but yeah, not sure whether it'll be open, as I said. So, just see if I can get past these guys. Yep, no problems. Tuck in behind this chap. Nice pulling over. See if I can get past. Nice one, thank you, friend. And then get past this chap. Easily done. So yeah, just stand by and enjoy the scenery. a bit of a rush. So yeah, as you saw there, I did go past Seaways. It looked quite busy, so I'm not going to bother stopping. I was just thinking to myself, I haven't seen any police cars yet, certainly not marked police cars, which I'm quite surprised about on a Sunday, and especially loitering around bikers venues. You thought there'd be quite a high police presence, but no, not a sausage. So I'm just going to head back up here, go past Seaways, and then take a right back towards Garby Hill, back towards Stamford Bridge, and then just gradually head off back home. So yeah, just get past here, clear, and we're off. So yeah, nice little village here. So just a quick change of the batteries. Took some getting off, did that cover, I think, because my hands are so numb. But yeah, I brought some spare batteries with me anyway, just in case. Again, part of this purpose of this ride is for me to just see how long these batteries last. I know it's not going to be a true representation because it's quite cold, and obviously the batteries will fail a lot quicker in weather like we've got currently. But it still gives me a rough guide anyway, so it's not too bad. So yeah, so far I'm quite impressed with this mount though, on the front of the camera, on the front of the helmet rather. I don't need to stick anything on the helmet, so that's good, because I don't particularly like the big bulky GoPro mounts. This is just like a rubber, sort of, I don't know how to describe it then, it's just a rubber mount, like a plate if you like, that goes over the front of the helmet and just straps on, and so far it hasn't moved at all. It certainly doesn't look to have done, so providing when I check the footage later it's not all jerky and sort of vibrating, I'll be well impressed with it. So right, just getting down here. But yeah, I've enjoyed coming out today, it's been a good ride, certainly glad I made the effort. Should have been up in Scotland last week just for a short break, 3 or 4 days, but due to COVID and the travel restrictions I couldn't get there, so this is a bit of a blessing coming out. Let's get around this bend. Yeah, okay. And get past this chap when I can.